Hello everyone, I'm Chef Majk and today I'm gonna show you Christmas recipe with salmon, roasted Brussels sprouts, fondant potatoes and chestnut sauce. So let's don't waste time and get started.
Today's recipe is gonna be very simple. You don't need any expensive produce, but you can make amazing fine dining dinner at home. First, we start with fondant potatoes. So I cut the potato and then I use a metal ring to do nice cylinders. Then I put vegetable oil into the pan and roast potatoes on one side. Then I'm gonna flip them and put some vegetable stock, butter, fresh thyme and season with salt and pepper. And I'm gonna cook it until the potatoes are soft. I got some more cylinders and I'm gonna make chips from them. So I cut them on mandolin, mix them with oil and salt and put them in the middle of 2 baking papers and go inside the oven around 180 degrees Celsius until crisps get nice brown color. Now I will do chestnut sauce. First, I peel and chop 1 shallot. And on vegetable oil, I roast it on medium heat for few minutes. Then I put my chestnuts in. I book them in the shop, they are already pre-cooked. In this time, I put some fresh thyme and bay leaves and roast everything for few more minutes. Now it's time for some vegetable stock and I also season it with salt and pepper and cook everything for 10 more minutes. Then I put my double cream in and give last 5 minutes of the cooking. I just take out the bay leaves and blitz the rest until I get nice velouté. pass everything through the chinois and my chestnut sauce is done. My potato chips looks ready as well, so I take it out from the oven and leave it to cool it down. But guys, the chips are still cooking inside, so take them out before they are completely ready. Now it's time to start with my fish. First, I cut the skin a little bit and season it properly with salt and pepper. And if you like today's recipe guys, give it thumbs up, and if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below, so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro. And salmon is ready to go in the hot pan with vegetable oil skinned side down. In the meantime, I clean some Brussels sprouts and cut them in the half. I'm gonna blanch them for 2 minutes and then roast them on the same pan with fish until I get nice color. And in this time, I got everything ready and it's time to put on the plate.
And guys, before we start play today's dish, I'm getting many questions what's my coaching about. So basically, I work on weekly basis with my clients on how to improve plating, how to create own dishes, fine dining techniques and much more. So if you wanna really give a boost to your cooking, you can book your first discovery call with me completely for free in the link in the description down below, and I'm gonna help you to achieve your cooking goals.
But now, let's finish the dish. Start with crispy skin salmon, then coming my fondant potatoes, some roasted Brussels sprouts, potato chips, few carrot tops, and finish it with my amazing chestnut sauce. I hope you enjoyed this recipe guys. If you like it, give it thumbs up. And if you wanna see more of my work or get personal cooking coaching from me, I got all the links in the description down below. And if you're not subscriber, hit the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to go like a pro. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.